Hello guys, my name is MariusRakaSatria. Let me introduce myself. My name is MariusRakaSatria. My student number is 1527 I am at Class B in Institut Teknologi Nasional. My study in Informatika. I'm from real Bandung. I'm born in Bandung, and then this music is too loud. I will have to go slow. Then start again. Institut Teknologi Nasional is the college from Bandung, Indonesia. The streets is from Mustafa streets. Okay, we will start about my idea. My idea from to success my final assignment English 3 from Mr. Budi. Okay, check this out, friend. So this is the main idea from this presentation is I will talk you about the PC and the component. Number 2 is bottleneck. Number 3 build of PC. Number 4 price of PC. And then why I like to, a PC, but because I love this build PC build to my friend or build to a teacher, and I love about the PC and that component, the other component. Okay, check this out. This is the PC. What is the PC? PC is the personal computer. Sometimes you need a computer. You must need this computer. And what is the component of the PC? You can look at this PowerPoint. Processor, motherboard, RAM or random access memory. This is storage or SSD and SSD, the power supply or PSU, this VGA, and then or video graphic editor and caching. Okay, I will first tell you about the processor. Processor is the thing must do a process, do all process from computer, and then the blue and the red one told you about blue and the red. This is blue from Intel, this is red from AMD. Blue, I call it blue because the brand Intel is blue and the brand AMD is red. And AMD, I think the the new processor name is Ryzen. The new processor from Intel is Core i9 X series. This is X generation. This is Ryzen. And the processor have a socket. And every processor have a socket. Okay, this is motherboard. I told you every processor is heavy socket and motherboard too. And motherboard and processor must be compared from socket. The same socket is fully compared. Okay, I will tell you what from located processor. This is located processor, and then this is located or VGA for random access memory from block. Audio, mic, and then power, and then audio. This is USB 3. This is HDMI. This is USB 2. Switch 2 again. This is USB 2 again. This is plug audio, and then this is EG45 for LAN, local area networking. This is for mouse. You can look at my PowerPoint. And then what I talk about RAM is random access memory. and this is the poor one, and it's the rich one. The different, not really different, just the looking is it's RGB, and then this is the simple one. RAM is for how many you can run the program. Okay. You can look the storage, these three storage, different storage, and then this is HDD, and then this is SSD, this is SSD. The socket SSD, this one is SATA, and then this is socket is SATA 2, but the different is this is HDD, this is SSD, and then SSD this one and this one different is socket. This is socket SATA, and this is socket M.2. We'll go to power supply. The power supply is the voltage, the power one, the power supply, supplies of power. This is 750 watt, and this is 650 watt, and then this is VGA from video graphic adapter from GTX, GeForce GTX. This is from AMD RX 580. This is from AMD. I don't know the type. This one. This VGA is from to translate the digital to visual code, and then you must need this casing. You can choose every casing, the classic one or RGB one, or the one color casing. You can choose everything. And then bottleneck. What is bottleneck? Bottleneck is you can know the percentage of comparison about CPU and the GPU. GPU is VGA or video graphic adapter. You can check this web and see this. You can feel this and calculate. Okay, the demo is a build 1 and the build 2. The build 2 is better than build 1 because the bottleneck is not too over than build 1. I will tell about my second build. I use processor from Intel i3 generation 8 version 100. They have a 3.6 GHz and the socket is LGA1151. The price is 2 million. And the motherboard I use MSI. The code is 8110M. The socket is frame because processor and motherboard must same socket. And RAM I use from Kingston DDR generation DDR4 8 GB. The speed is 2400, and I use hard disk 2 TB from Barracuda 3.5 inches, and I use SSD from Aperture 240 GB. The socket is M.2. Okay, I use PSU from GameMax for 550 60 plus bronze certificate. This is efficient for power. So the all of the price my build to PC is 9 million rupiah. And then just that I think there's no other that's enough for me, I think. Okay, thank you for watching me. See you later. Bye bye.